Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $7,500, Marble Hill, Missouri. This 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead is a beautifully preserved example of Harley's classic touring motorcycle from the golden era of American V-twins. Finished in its original paint, the bike carries the timeless styling and unmistakable road presence that continue to make shovelhead models highly desirable among vintage Harley enthusiasts. The FLH platform became famous for long-distance comfort, strong low-end torque, and traditional Harley-Davidson character. According to the seller, the motorcycle has recently been fully serviced and gone through mechanically, with everything functioning exactly as it should. The bike is also described as completely road-ready, making it more than just a collector piece. For riders searching for an authentic and well-kept shovelhead with classic touring appeal, this FLH stands out as a very clean vintage Harley. Number 2. 1977 Honda CB750A, $2,650, Hendersonville, Tennessee. The 1977 Honda CB750A is one of the most unique motorcycles of the 1970s thanks to its automatic-style transmission design. Often referred to as the Honda-matic, the CB750A was created to offer the smooth performance of Honda's legendary four-cylinder engine while making riding easier and more approachable for newer riders. With no traditional clutch lever, the bike delivers a relaxed and user-friendly riding experience that still feels distinctive today. According to the seller, this example runs very well and remains in great condition with only 12,300 miles. The motorcycle also received a new battery last year and is said to be fully ready for summer riding. For collectors or riders looking for a rare variation of the iconic CB750 platform, this Honda-matic offers vintage Japanese style with a unique twist. Number 3. 1969 BSA Thunderbolt A65, $4,000, Madison, Wisconsin. This 1969 BSA Thunderbolt A65 is a classic British parallel twin that combines vintage character with extensive mechanical restoration work. Powered by a 650cc engine with a traditional single carburetor setup, the Thunderbolt became popular for its smooth torque delivery and straightforward British styling. This example reportedly underwent a thorough refurbishment while still maintaining its original patina and classic appearance. According to the seller, the motorcycle received major engine work, along with updated ignition, electrical components, rebuilt suspension, fresh brakes, wheel bearings, and new tires. The restoration focused on reliability and rideability while preserving the bike's authentic vintage personality. For enthusiasts searching for a properly sorted British classic with original character still intact, this Thunderbolt presents a very appealing package. Number 4. 1978 Yamaha XS650 Triple, $2,200, Evansville, Indiana. The 1978 Yamaha XS650 Triple is a standout Japanese motorcycle from the late 1970s, powered by a smooth and distinctive three-cylinder engine. Yamaha's XS Triples became known for combining comfortable highway performance with sporty handling and unique engine character. Finished in red and showing 18,000 original miles, this example appears to have been maintained with regular riding in mind. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and drives well, while also receiving several important updates, including a new clutch, fresh fluids, brakes, tires, and ignition components. Those recent improvements suggest the bike is ready to be enjoyed immediately on the road. For riders searching for an affordable vintage Japanese motorcycle with classic styling and triple-cylinder personality, this XS750 offers strong value. Number 5. 1969 Triumph Bonneville, $6,800, Atlanta, Georgia. The 1969 Triumph Bonneville remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built, celebrated for its timeless styling, lightweight feel, and lively parallel twin engine. Finished in red and restored with original parts, this Bonneville captures the authentic look and spirit that made Triumph motorcycles famous around the world during the 1960s. Vintage Bonnevilles continue to be highly collectible because of their balance of performance, beauty, and historical importance. According to the seller, the bike recently received a top-end rebuild with only 1,400 miles since completion, along with brand new tires for the current riding season. The motorcycle is described as fully ready to ride and enjoy. For collectors or riders wanting a beautifully restored British classic with legendary reputation and road-ready condition, this Bonneville represents a timeless vintage motorcycle experience. Number 6. 1983 Suzuki GN125, $2,200, Kingsport, Tennessee. The 1983 Suzuki GN125 is a lightweight vintage motorcycle known for its simple design, dependable engine, and beginner-friendly riding experience. Powered by a 125cc single-cylinder engine with a 5-speed transmission, the GN125 became popular as an affordable and practical motorcycle that still carried classic styling cues. Finished in black, this example keeps the timeless small bike charm that continues to appeal to vintage motorcycle fans today. According to the seller, the bike runs great and includes original manuals, service records, and factory documentation, which always adds extra appeal for collectors and enthusiasts. Smaller displacement motorcycles like the GN125 are appreciated for their low operating costs and easy rideability, while still offering authentic old-school character. For riders looking for a clean and approachable vintage Suzuki, this GN125 presents a fun retro option. Number 7. 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 1000, $2,800, Gobles, Michigan. This 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 1000 Ironhead represents the raw and mechanical personality that made vintage Sportsters legendary among Harley enthusiasts. Finished in blue and featuring period custom touches completed back in the late 1970s, the bike captures the custom motorcycle culture that defined the era. Powered by the classic Ironhead V-twin engine, the XLH 1000 remains one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable and engaging vintage platforms. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides well while also retaining its original engine and clean title. Recent maintenance reportedly includes brake work, fuel tank restoration, carburetor servicing, fluid changes, and a new battery, helping keep the bike roadworthy and reliable. For buyers searching for an affordable vintage Harley with authentic custom history and classic Ironhead character, this Sportster offers strong old-school appeal. Number 8. 1989 BMW R100 RT Touring, $6,000, Monroe, Louisiana. The 1989 BMW R100 RT Touring is a classic long-distance touring motorcycle powered by BMW's legendary air-cooled boxer twin engine. Designed for comfort and reliability, the R100 RT became well known for its smooth highway manners, protective fairing, and durable engineering that made it a favorite among touring riders around the world. Finished in red, this example carries the timeless look of BMW's late Airhead era. According to the seller, the motorcycle recently received transmission work, including a refreshed gearbox while addressing a known pawl spring issue. The bike also includes a touring rack, top box, and additional spare parts, adding practicality and value for long-distance riding enthusiasts. For riders searching for a dependable vintage touring motorcycle with classic European character, this BMW R100 RT stands out as a very solid option. Number 9. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 A4, $7,500, Blissfield, Michigan. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 A4 is one of the most respected Japanese superbikes of the 1970s, famous for its powerful inline-4 engine and strong performance reputation. Finished in green and described as mostly original, this KZ900 represents the era when Kawasaki established itself as a serious force in high-performance motorcycles. The model continues to attract collectors because of its combination of speed, styling, and historical importance. According to the seller, the motorcycle was recently brought out of a collection and serviced with a new battery, brake components, and carburetor work. The bike reportedly starts easily and rides as it should, while still offering excellent restoration potential for enthusiasts wanting to take it even further. For collectors searching for a classic Japanese superbike with originality and strong road presence, this KZ900 remains a highly desirable machine. Number 10. 1977 Triumph T140V 750, $1,600, Ankeny, Iowa. This 1977 Triumph T140V 750 is a classic British twin being offered as a promising restoration project with many important components already in place. The T140V models became well known for their 750cc parallel twin engines, traditional Triumph styling, and engaging riding experience that carried British motorcycling into the late 1970s. Even as a project, the bike still displays the timeless character that continues to make vintage Triumphs highly collectible. According to the seller, the motorcycle is roughly 95% complete and includes expensive new carburetors, a clean fuel tank, and a rust-free frame. The engine condition is unknown, but the bike was reportedly a good runner before being disassembled for restoration work. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable entry into classic British motorcycles, this T140V offers a solid foundation with strong restoration potential. Number 11. 1978 Yamaha XS650, $3,300, Sheboygan, Wisconsin. This 1978 Yamaha XS650 Cafe is the kind of vintage machine that immediately stands out with its stripped-down styling and classic parallel twin character. Finished in black with a clean cafe-inspired setup, the bike carries the timeless look that made the XS650 one of the most customized Japanese motorcycles ever built. The seller mentions that the bike has already gone through a rebuild and restoration process, giving it a refreshed feel while still maintaining its old-school personality and raw riding experience. What makes this XS650 especially appealing is its balance between classic style and everyday rideability. The seller describes it as extremely comfortable and genuinely fun to ride, which says a lot for a nearly 50-year-old motorcycle. At $3,300 or best offer, this Yamaha feels like a solid entry point into the vintage cafe racer world, especially for riders searching for a lightweight and charismatic classic with strong enthusiast support across the United States. Number 12. 1983 Harley-Davidson Tour Glide, $3,800, Haleyville, Alabama. The 1983 Harley-Davidson Tour Glide represents an interesting period in Harley touring history, combining long-distance comfort with the unmistakable sound and feel of the legendary shovelhead engine. Finished in black and showing 43,000 miles, this FLT still carries its original paint, along with original keys and period-correct accessories. One of the coolest details is the inclusion of the original CB radio, cassette player, and AM/FM system, bringing back the full touring experience of the early 1980s. According to the seller, the bike runs and comes with plenty of extra parts, although it could benefit from a thorough detailing after years of use. Even so, the overall package feels honest and complete, making it appealing for someone wanting a classic Harley bagger without spending huge money. At only $3,800, this Tour Glide offers a surprisingly affordable entry into vintage Harley-Davidson touring ownership with true old-school American road presence. Number 13. 1974 Honda CB, $1,400, Greenville, Ohio. This 1974 Honda CB is a simple and honest vintage motorcycle that looks ready for casual weekend rides and around-town cruising. Finished in green with just over 10,500 miles, the bike still retains many of its original features, including both electric and kickstart systems. The seller notes that everything works properly, the seat remains in good condition, and the motorcycle starts easily and runs well, making it an attractive option for someone looking for a low-cost vintage rider. The bike does have a few imperfections, including a weak battery and a fuel tank that needs repair due to an old dent and pinhole issue. Still, those flaws feel manageable considering the affordable $1,400 asking price and the overall completeness of the motorcycle. With its lightweight feel, classic Honda reliability, and vintage styling, this CB could easily become a fun beginner classic or an enjoyable small displacement project bike. Number 14. 1958 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Chopper, $13,000, Leaf River, Illinois. This 1958 Harley-Davidson pan shovel chopper is a full custom build, designed with serious old-school attitude and unmistakable show bike presence. Finished in deep brandywine candy paint over silver metal flake, the bike immediately captures attention with its long stance, stainless sissy bar, white-coated hooker pipe, and aggressive vintage chopper styling. The seller states that nearly every major engine component is brand new, centered around a massive 94-inch S&S stroker setup paired with S&S heads, magneto ignition, and a chrome Weber carburetor. Beyond the engine, the build includes premium custom hardware like an Invader rear wheel, Hallcraft front spool hub, Bird oil tank, and 4-speed transmission. The motorcycle still needs wiring, plumbing, and a few finishing touches, but the hard work and expensive parts are already there. At $13,000 or best offer, this Harley feels aimed at serious chopper enthusiasts looking for a radical custom machine with strong performance potential and unmistakable handcrafted character. Number 15. 1979 Honda GL1000 Goldwing, $900, Dallas, Texas. This 1979 Honda GL1000 Goldwing may be rough around the edges, but it represents one of the most iconic touring motorcycles of the late 1970s. Finished in black, the bike currently does not run and comes without a title, but the low $900 asking price makes it an interesting project candidate for mechanically inclined vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Early Goldwings have built a loyal following thanks to their smooth flat-4 engines and reputation for durability when properly restored. The seller mentions not having enough time to continue working on the bike, leaving an opportunity for the next owner to bring it back to life. Whether used as a full restoration project, a donor platform, or a budget custom build, the GL1000 still carries the unmistakable presence that helped define Honda's touring lineup for decades. For someone willing to invest time and effort, this could become a rewarding vintage motorcycle project with plenty of classic appeal.